even what gives me money, my mobility, I sold them off. To the extent that even my family, to feed my family is hard. So I had a very terrible path to forex trading. I've been in this industry for over 2 years. I've been in the industry learning, researching, learning everything. Yet I ventured into it and I lost everything within space of within 1 year. So as you are listening to me,
so don't be in a hurry. Wait for the Fugees coming up.
if you are listening to me now, I wouldn't want you to have this experience, to repeat this experience I had. Terrible one in forex trading. I lost over 50 million naira in forex trading. This is not a hype. This is a fact, pure truth. All these forex gurus saying apply this strategy, apply this strategy. Many of them don't tell you step-by-step guide, thorough step-by-step guide, except you enroll in the academy. Just very few of them, but they are very difficult. They are scarce. They are very, very unnoticed online. That will teach you step-by-step method, consistently step-by-step method on how to be profitable on a long term. As a day trader, as a swing trader, even as a scalper, flowing improving strategies, not just one strategy that you will apply, you have a losing streak that doesn't even give you any win rate. So I followed all their rules. Even I joined Telegram group. I don't want to mention names because I don't want to contradict anyone. There are many of them on YouTube. So I'm not trying to say that some of the rules doesn't work. Some of the rules will work. Actually, I applied the rule. We'll see what happened. Because initially I started with a little amount of money, like $50, $100, even $500. So they now say, why you are losing money, you're not making it? Why not go and pull in bigger amount of money? So I had to gather. Even this thing doesn't have, it never happened at once. It was happening bit by bit, until I got my access. Sold. Even what gives me money, my mobility, I sold them off. To the extent that even my family, to feed my family is hard. So I had a very terrible path to forex trading. I've been in this industry for over 2 years. I've been in the industry learning, researching, learning everything. Yet I ventured into it and I lost everything within space of within 1 year. So as you are listening to me, this is an authentic advice from an authentic person. I'm not here to tell you or discourage you that forex is not profitable or forex is a scam. It's not a scam. Forex is one of the easiest ways to get out of poverty once you master the skill. Very, very well skill with improving methodology. With improving methodology, you master skill. Once you're able to meet someone that will give it hands-on, because many of them will be teaching, they will not be telling you the truth. There are some, behind the screen, something they are doing, some methodology they are applying, they are not showing you all this. Except you buy their course, except you enroll in the academy. Except very, very few. And those few are not noisemakers online. Yes, there are many, very few of them which I have applied these strategies And it worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked, of course. It worked. I will not deny the fact that someone like Trading Hub, credit to him, it worked like magic. It worked like magic. I won't lie to you, it worked. So, my dear, I learned it in a very, very hard way. I lost over 15 million in this industry. That is roughly over $10,000. You wonder, how come? Even this thing brought crisis in my home, it brought crisis among my siblings, it brought crisis in my family. It is by the grace of God that God has, resuscitated me, that God has helped me bounce back gradually. So I learned my lessons in a very big way. As a newbie, I wouldn't want you, please, to take this path, to do the same mistake, which I wouldn't want you to repeat the same mistake which I did, because this will cause you a lot. Many may not have the grace to bounce back. Many from the depression, sickness, health challenges, a lot of things might happen, and one will fall into long sickness, and from there, it will be lifeless. Or from there, that's how one journey will end. So I wouldn't want you to take this path. So that is why I want to take you hands-on. I want to take you hands-on. Being a liberal personality, I wouldn't want, what's happened to me to happen to anybody. Especially when you're trading like with $20, $50, $100. What do you intend to accomplish? With big liquidity sweeping through, that with your $20, $30, $50, $100, if you do not manage your risk very well, probably, and your lot size, one thing about trading with small accounts is that these small accounts trading, if you are trading with proper risk management, you're not gonna scale the account. You're gonna scale it up. That is the pure truth. So greed is always attached to small account traders. That is a big trap. That's a big trap. That's why in a small, probably in a short time, I can't be blown. It's a major problem, and that's why I'll be taking you by hand, showing you how to grow $50 to $10,000. That is 100% possible. 100% possible. Yes, I've thought about, and that's why I'm in the best position to show you, to teach you that. So it has been a serious trap for small account holders, forex traders. That is why you see one can grow the account with $200, $400, $500. Try to observe proper risk management, and it seems like the account is not growing fast. When there is a liquidity sweep, and if the account is not well managed and there's no backup fund to support your margin, you see the account blown up. It will be like a magic. So all these things, there are strategies to apply to prevent all this from happening, especially if you are small account holders. And I don't expect you, I don't even advise you to start forex trading with big money or borrowed money. No, never you. Imagine the kind of pressure that is involved, the high blood pressure, when the market is going against you, and the money that is involved is not your own money, and you see your money going off in smoke. How are you going to feel? High BP is being intensified. So that's why it's not advisable. Always trade with what you are able, what you can afford to lose. Trade with what you can lose, you can afford, even risk what you can lose affordably. Something that I'm not going to bring high BP to you. So that's why it is very, very advisable to risk what you can, your risk appetite can afford. Oh, not the one that will be sleeping, your heart is panting and you can't sleep well. Forex, it can be challenging, more especially when the risk involved, the capital is not your own. When you do not observe proper risk management, trading small accounts, of course, that is what brings greed. So, in this platform, I'll be letting you know the secret to scale to big accounts. And when you start trading with, say, $10,000, yes, if you are making like 5-10% of $10,000 per month to start with, you scale it up from there. Yeah, then you can think of engaging PROFIRMs. You can think of engaging PROFIRMs and scale your account through. These are strategies. It's not even enough. Your strategy is not enough. Your strategy is not enough. There are important things that are often being neglected. Yeah? There are many things that are being neglected that are very critical to your success in forex trading. And one of it is discipline. Discipline. This video is getting too long. I wouldn't want it to get too long. So from time to time, I'll keep you posted. That if it's work a kind of thing you want to do, you want to achieve in 2026, then do where to follow my link, do where to join my Telegram group, do where to follow me to every content that we drop on this platform, because I want to take 1 million people to a millionaire level this 2026. 1 million people to a millionaire level this 2026. Even if I cannot achieve 1 million people, if it's 100 people, that I can achieve that are faithful to, follow me in this journey, I'm okay. Then the series continue, because man, without money, you are nobody. I mean, without achieving success, something that you can be grateful for, something that you can be happy about, that you accomplish something of your dream. Success is instead is. So that little milestone, when you are getting accomplished, at least you will feel very, very happy, you will feel very, very fulfilled. Then before your next milestone of goal, accomplishments comes, you have to start from that small level you are, then build on it. So let me leave you with this first. Did I come your way?